Hi team, so today we will going to learn about the select class present in the Selenium. So basically while you are filling any form in the web page, we will have a drop downs. We have to select the what is country and what is the state and what are all the languages we know. So uh, to handle any drop down present in the web page, we are going to use the select class. So what are all the actions we can perform in the drop down? We can select the drop down value, we can deselect the drop down value, and we can check whether the drop down is a multi select drop down or not. And what is it means if the drop down is a default value, if the drop down has any default value, what is the default value it contains, and what are all the options present in the drop down, and what are all the options selected in the drop down. So for example, why we need to check what are all the options present in the drop down. So for example, some drop downs are dependent. So for example, state is depend upon the country. So if we choose the country as a India, based on that it has to display the value of state. So if we choose a India, so what are all the states value present in the means options present in the state, we have to check that. So then we will going to use the select class. So some form the country is by default it is displayed as a US. So whether that is a displayed proper default value we need to check. Means in some drop down we can use, means some drop downs can be multiple drop down, multi select drop down. So for example, language we can know more than one language, right? So whether to check that drop down is a multi select drop down. So to do all these actions in a drop down, we will going to use the select class in Selenium. The syntax is select drop down equal to new select of web element, we need to pass it here. So web element is nothing but which drop down we are going to handle, that web element we need to pass it here. For example, we need to do all these actions on state drop down, means we need to pass the state drop down web element here. So we have to perform all these actions in country, means then we need to pass the country drop down web element here. So for each of the drop down present in the web element, we need to create a separate object and we need to pass that web element and create object and do all these actions. So to do all these actions, we have a separate methods in the select class. In the next video, I will go and I will teach what are all the methods present in the select class to handle these operations. Thank you.